Hello family, thank you so much for stopping by and watching my video. I am Monica and I am getting ready to bring you some fall home decor. Of course, we all know that next month, September 22nd, is the beginning of fall. Yes, and I love fall. I love the colors. I love the weather during fall season. So I'm going to bring you guys some beautiful home decor. If this is your first time, welcome to my channel. And if you are already a family member, I love you from the bottom of my heart. You know I do. So you ready to create? Let's create. For my first project, I'll be using this wire pumpkin that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and I will also be using this buffalo material that I purchased from JoAnns. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is spread out my material. Then I'm going to decide on how I'm going to decorate my pumpkin. Am I going to use my material on the inside, or am I going to use my material on the outside? I decided I'm going to use my material on the back of the pumpkin. So first I'm going to go ahead on and cut out my material so it'll be easier for me to work with. Now I'm going to straighten out my material, and then I'm going to glue my material onto my pumpkin just so that it can stay in place. Then I'm going to trace my pumpkin onto my material. Next, I'm going to cut my pumpkin out. After I have cut my material out, then I'm going to glue my material onto my wire pumpkin. Okay, now I'm going to use this decorative foam board that I used in a previous video, and I'm going to place my pumpkin on top of it, but first I'm going to remove all the flowers from on top of the foam. And the way I made this was I just cut out a piece of foam, then I cut out another piece of glitter display board and glued it on top of it. Then I cut out some letters that I purchased from the Dollar Tree and put it and glued it on top of it. Now to hold my pumpkin in place, I'm going to use one of the stems of this artificial plant. Now that the pumpkin is secured into place, next I'm going to place my flowers onto the foam in the front and the back of the pumpkin. After I have finished, I placed a cute little bow on top of the pumpkin. For project number 2, I'm going to make a cute little flower arrangement. Now I'm going to paint my flower pot orange, and I'm not going to paint it too many times because I want it to have a distressed look to it. After 15 minutes, the flower pot dried. Now I'm going to glue some material around the top of the flower pot. Next, I'm going to glue the word thankful to the front of the flower pot. Now I'm going to add my flowers to my flower pot. I'm just going to bend the end of the flowers because I'll be using the flowers on another project and I just didn't want to cut them. I'm going to add a leaf right here because you can see a little of the glue. Now I am finished with project number 2. Project number 3, my final project, I'm just going to make a candle holder. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of this material and just wrap it around this vase just like this. So easy, so simple. And then I'm just going to place my candle holder inside of my vase. Then I'm going to put my tea light inside of my candle holder or tea light holder, and I am finished. And what I decided to do is I'm going to add a little leaves, 2 of them, to the project, and just bring it out, give it an extra fall look, and I am finished. I got this candle idea from Jenny. Go check out my shout out video, and I hope you like this video. Please come back and watch many more of my videos to come.